Guys, this is a Bluebird bus. This is a prisoner transport bus. I'll show you inside now. Okay, so you see I have the cages for the guards and the prisoners and stuff. There's the engine. Guys, we don't know about the ACs or none of that. All right, we're gonna move the bus forward and we're gonna move it back. Oh! Come on back! Come on back! Come on back! The brakes are really good, guys. Okay, this is the back door, and I guess it's locked on the inside, guys. Oh, it's locked.
Oh, hey. The switch.
Okay, guys, that's where the air conditioner's at. It runs separate from the bus, but I can't get it open to show you. Anyway, this shit went down.